Hello world, welcome back to Accelerate and welcome back to the Mk1 TT build series.
Yeah, now today we're fitting a nice shiny forged diverter valve.
We certainly are, but first of all, what is a diverter valve?
It's that.
What do you mean by that?
No,
video's done, thanks.
there we go.
Bye.
Yeah, basically the diverter valve takes any unused boost pressure and just puts it back in the system. Obviously with a normal blow-off valve where you get a open atmosphere, great, but they're not very good on these engines.
For some reason, German cars, as we've mentioned in many previous videos, German cars don't like atmospheric blow-off valves, which is what most petrol heads want because they want that whoosh noise.
Yeah.
But this does make a good noise anyway.
It does. Now, we have also got a open atmospheric one. However, we're not going to do that today. We're going to put the normal one on, but we will be doing that just to see what the difference is.
Just
and
to
see how
compare.
the engine actually...
Yes, because apparently they
handles it.
really don't like it because of all the vacuum systems and complicated German stuff.
Yes.
But first of all, exciting stuff, what have we got?
We have a shiny forged diverter valve.
Someone's mentioned that before.
I have, yeah. Now, I bought this once again from Jamie Cord. I bought a load of stuff.
I cannot wait. It is coming, guys, I promise.
Yes.
That is the one I'm excited for.
Now, this was fitted to his car, which is running around 280 horsepower, so it's already got the... It comes with a couple of different springs, blue, green, and yellow. Which are for different boost pressures. Now, the yellow one is in here. We're going to be obviously running more boost, so I'm going to leave that as it is for now. But yeah, it's basically as simple as replacing that one.
Should just be swapping that.
But let's go on them stupid clips on there first.
Ah, the one-time use you've probably seen for the previous video. The one-time use clips that we both absolutely hate. I'm sure you guys do
What do you mean?
as
I
well.
love them.
Now,
Nat.
I'm not 100% convinced that it's going to make that much of a difference in noise. Kenny thinks it will.
I think being metallic with a tighter spring, I'm hoping it'll be more of a produce rather than a longer reduce. So yeah, that's me. I'm a dumb valve.
You're an idiot!
You know?
I was going to say when you...
My nose is. Yeah, well.
So we are going to get stuck in.
I can't see.
Diverter valves off. It's probably easier to show you just how simple this thing is. You've got a vacuum pipe on the top. Yeah, if you want simplicity.
Hey.
Got it!
Vacuum line on the top. You've got a hose at the bottom.
Where they at?
And then a hose on the side. It is literally that straightforward. Someone made a meal of it, but hey ho.
Oh, dude, them clips. Them clips.
Oh yeah, they're for those who don't know what we're on about, who haven't seen the last video. These little sort of squeeze clips, I don't even know what you call them. Yeah, that's what they look like when you eventually get them
that's
off.
what it looks like when I finish with it.
Now, the diverter valve, as Kenny said, basically diverts the boost pressure built up when you're under load, and a really good comparison Kenny just showed me. If we try and push that...
Well, this is awkward.
I can push that with my finger, no problem. Let's keep it clean, please. But with this forged one... Forge?
Forge.
With the strongest... Ow! Yeah, I can't push that. That is a lot stiffer.
Giggity.
Giggity. So, I think you might be right. I think it is going to change the noise, as in it's going to be more of a whoosh.
Yeah, I think it's definitely going to sound more... Yeah, whoosh. That's the technical term. But no, it's, you know, it's obviously going to hold boost pressure better and disperse it quicker.
It is a necessity, like we said, when you're running more boost, which you are going to be eventually.
Oh, yeah.
Because not only the exhaust, we have got some tasty bits down there too.
Yes, we have.
The floor full of...
Yeah, I
bits that
know.
need
They've
to
all
go
been
on,
here for ages as well, so I've been really itching to get all these on.
And just like that, the forged diverter valve is on. Again, it's easier to show you when it's on, but you've got your intake, the hose coming from the intake there, and then coming from your boost pipe, and then the vacuum is what operates it. So it is that simple. It's one of those mods that apparently is effective and very simple compared to a lot of things we can do.
Well, I was going to say, the only thing I've really held this up, and that would have taken minutes.
Yeah.
The only thing I took, like, well, it still took minutes, but not as little a minutes as I thought. But yeah, it was just that damn clip.
Yep, it's always the same. So now, yeah, it's the fun part already, isn't it? The car's already warm because Kenny's burnt himself a couple of times. We've literally...
Why isn't this cough going away?
Excuse me. Literally just taking it out for a good run, so it is warm. So we'll do the first start and go for a little spin. know.
I don't know either.
Does sound good.
It does, yeah. We'll have to see what's like on the low.
Definitely.
I think it's definitely more of a.
It's exactly what we said. You really can't see me. It's hard to explain. Yeah, because of this. I don't know if it is because of the strength of the spring, but it seems more aggressive on the release, on the boosh.
Yeah, I would agree with you. It's definitely, I would say, like a shorter.
Yeah, because it used to go. Now it goes.
What you talking about,
Yeah, definitely it
Yeah.
is.
You got-
100%.
There's some mad rev hang on this thing, isn't it?
Oh, it's horrible. That's the one thing I really hate about this car.
Yeah.
Now I know with mapping apparently it does take it out, but
Hope so, because
it is annoying.
it does get annoying. But overall, I think we're pretty. This car's coming along. You know,
It is
coming a long way already.
We've had these modifications for quite some time, but you know now we're starting to get it done. I'm starting to get a bit more excited about it now.
Yeah, I can tell by if you guys seen the last video, you would have seen how excited we are, and it just gets better and better. And the mods are only going to get better and better from now on. Like I said, we've got the downpipe, we've got the full exhaust,
Yeah,
we got
decat.
coilovers to do, decat, yeah.
Coilovers. We got a boost gauge.
Oh
the
yeah,
vent I got to
Yep.
fit. We got a fuel pump upgraded.
Oh, I forgot about that.
Yeah.
We are going to be hitting the dyno as well as soon as possible, so we can figure out what it's running, and then mapping and all that exciting stuff.
Can't wait.
But yeah, so far, the noises are addictive. Definitely addictive.
Yes, I love it. I'm going to use so much fuel.
But it's so worth it.
Yeah.
That's the forged diverter valve fitted. Now, I'm a little bit surprised that it does actually. I know it's the main benefit is performance, and
course,
it's
yeah.
a necessity if you're running higher boost. But I was quite surprised. It does sound more crisp, I think is the best way to put it.
It's sharper.
Yeah.
There we are.
Yeah.
Yeah, definitely crisp, sharper. So obviously when we're running more boost, it's going to be more efficient, and that's the main thing, isn't it?
Yeah. That's a good way of putting it, actually.
Yeah, it is. Yeah,
So-
that's the right word.
Yeah, well, like I said, we have got. I'm really starting to like this car now.
I
As
am.
much as I want to take the mick out of it,
Yeah.
because we seem to have a thing with hairdresser cars. But anyway,
What do you mean?
turbo.
Yeah, you got a couple of MX-5s, so you more headrest.
Yeah, if you don't know, I own a couple of MX-5. You should go back and some of the cars that we've owned and sold.
Yeah.
But anyway, we got loads more coming with this. So yeah, I think we'll end it there for now. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. We'll see you in the next one.
Bam!
It's about to go bang.
Oh, don't say that.